Coach Vince Lombardi, in his wisdom, tells us that perfection is not attainable. But if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. I'm sure you have noticed that every now and again you'll hear sportscasters, for example, speak about the perfect score or the perfect pass, the perfect shot, and so on. And yes, I agree that we might get results that you could describe as perfect, but I personally think that perfection should never be the goal. The challenge with perfectionism, I think, is that it is always out of reach, but it's always asking for outcomes that are virtually impossible to achieve. So no matter what you do, right, in the eyes of perfection, it can never be enough. You could move a mountain and perfection will go, not tall enough, you didn't move it far enough, right? So what's the answer? Excellence. Excellence. Giving of your absolute best effort every single time, I think, is a far more reachable goal, because excellence focuses on what's right. It doesn't worry so much about what's not working. It really keeps your attention on what's going well. It keeps you focused on the actions that you have to take to make things even better. And that makes it possible then for you to strive for and reach greater levels of excellence. So excellence is progressive and it is limitless, unlike perfectionism, which stops you in your track. The bottom line, my friends, is that you can never truly be perfect, but I know you can always be excellent. This has been a Keep On Pushing moment. Make sure you leave a comment in this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and yeah man, make sure you share this with your friends as well. Until we connect next time, keep on pushing.